Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order? I need a few more minutes. I need a few more minutes. I would like a cake, please. I would like a cake, please. How does it taste? How does it taste? It's delicious. It's delicious. What are you going to do today? What are you going to do today? Today I am going shopping. Today I am going shopping. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is hot noodles. Is there anything can I do to help? Is there anything can I do to help? Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. Did you like the movie? Did you like the movie? Yes, it's one of the best movie I have ever seen. Do you need any help packing? Do you need any help packing? I can manage myself, thank you. I can manage myself, thank you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Mary. My name is Mary. Or I am Mary. I am Mary. What's the best way to the bank? What's the best way to the bank? Go across the temple. Turn left. It's on 7th Street. You could ask the taxi driver. What times are you open? What times are you open? We are open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. 7 days a week. Is it close to the rail station? Is it close to the rail station? Yes, it's very close. Yes, it's very close. When will he be back? When will he be back? He will be back in 5 minutes. He will be back in 5 minutes. Can I get you anything else? Can I get you anything else? No, thank you. No, thank you. I am ready for the bill, please. I am ready for the bill, please. Yes, can I see a sweet dish? Which grade are you in? Which grade are you in? I am in 5th grade. I am in 5th grade. Would you like to leave a message? Would you like to leave a message? Please ask him to call me back. Please ask him to call me back. What is your marital status? What is your marital status? I am married. I am married. I am single. I am single. What time do you open? What time do you open? We open at 8 a.m. We open at 8 a.m. What's on your mind? What's on your mind? I am just thinking. I am just thinking. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. How do you do? How do you do? Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Did you get my message? Did you get my message? Yes, I did get your message. Yes, I did get your message. Oh yeah, I think I got something from you. Oh yeah, I think I got something from you. Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? No problem. No problem. Or I can't. I can't. Could you tell me how to get to the rail station? Could you tell me how to get to the rail station? Go straight ahead along this road. It's in the end of the block. When do you ride the bus? When do you ride the bus? When I go to school. When I go to school. What sports can you play? What sports can you play? I can play cricket, football and basketball. I can play cricket, football and basketball. Why do you study English? Why do you study English? Or why are you studying English? Why are you studying English? Because it's very important and necessary. Because it's very important and necessary. I want to improve my English skills. I want to improve my English skills. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is on October 31st. My birthday is on October 31st. Do you have a reservation? Do you have a reservation? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I don't. Where do you study? Where do you study? I am a student at Delhi University. I am a student at Delhi University. What is your phone number? What is your phone number? My phone number is 8099310210. My phone number is 8099310210. How long have you been working here? How long have you been working here? I have been working here 3 years. I have been working here 3 years. Where are you going to be staying? Where are you going to be staying? With some friends in the Taj Hotel. With some friends in the Taj Hotel. Are you here with anybody? Are you here with anybody? I came with my parents. I came with my parents. What's this? What's this? This is a lens. This is a lens. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from London. I am from London. I come from America. I come from America. Could you do me a favor? Could you do me a favor? I would be happy to help you. I would be happy to help you. What are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow? I am going to play cricket. I am going to play cricket. How long are you staying here? How long are you staying here? About 3 weeks. About 3 weeks. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. I usually take the bus. I usually take the bus. What do you want to do after you graduate? What do you want to do after you graduate? I would like to be a game developer. I would like to be a game developer. I want to be a graphic designer. I want to be a graphic designer. How old are you? How old are you? I am 30 years old. I am 30 years old. Or I am 30. I am 30. Would you like to have dinner with me? Would you like to have dinner with me? Yes, that would be nice. Yes, that would be nice. How long will you be staying? How long will you be staying? 3 weeks from this Sunday. 3 weeks from this Sunday. I am here until the end of the month. I am here until the end of the month. What's your email address? What's your email address? It's mary21@gmail.com. It's mary21@gmail.com. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Great, never better. Really awful. Really awful. Could we have lunch together one day? Could we have lunch together one day? With pleasure. I would love to, but I am very busy at the moment. With pleasure. I would love to, but I am very busy at the moment. How long have you been feeling like this? How long have you been feeling like this? For 2 days. For 2 days. Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? No, thanks. No, thanks. How about you? How about you? Not too good, but I will be okay. Not too good, but I will be okay. How do you feel about him? How do you feel about him? He is quite friendly and helpful. He is quite friendly and helpful. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Can I try it on somewhere? Can I try it on somewhere? The fitting room is in the left corner. The fitting room is in the left corner. How are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Would you like to come to the college with me today? Would you like to come to the college with me today? Sure, I'd love to. Sure, I would love to. Sorry, I can't. Sorry, I can't. I have got other plans. I have got other plans. What time do you close? What time do you close? I close at 8 p.m. I close at 8 p.m. What time do you have breakfast? What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 7:15 a.m. I have breakfast at 7:15 a.m. Can I help you find something? Can I help you find something? Yes, I am looking for mobile. Yes, I am looking for mobile. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.